Welcome to Flashlight in the Dark Trader. We had a request to look at gold, looking at the gold futures, GC. We see these are all these red lines and are all planetary lines and where support and resistance might lie. So for example, you see all these lines in this area, the horizontal lines, was a good place for support. The other day, June 30th, gold made its most recent high, and then yesterday it came down, and you see it just started to touch the next resistance level of planetary waves. And there's so many waves there's so many different planetary configurations that create resistance. It could be difficult to break through right away. So what I did was I took some Fibonacci numbers from the last low, okay, coming down. Here, even if we go back for a moment, just so you see the resistance here, finally broke through, came down to this resistance level, broke through, came up to here. So I took a Fibonacci from this low, the last low, to the current high. As I see it, this was the high for the moment. It was right before Mercury retrograde, Mercury Direct. Mercury Direct came yesterday, July 1st. So looks like we'll be seeing a downtrend. Now looking at the Fibonacci numbers. Now if we just look at planetary lines, we could say perhaps it will hit the support and not go very far down from here. So it may drop down to around 13.15.23 to 13.12.23, somewhere in that range. That's one scenario. For a bigger move, according to the Fibonacci numbers, so if we just look at the planetary lines, there will be possible support over here. If it were to really drop down very far, 1295, 1296 would be a Fibonacci level. The first likelihood would be somewhere 3 to 5 days around July 10th. So that could be July 7th. So early next week possible. We have two possibilities that I see at the moment, likely possibilities. One is that it comes down just to the support level, planetary support, or it may come down to the second planetary support, which is also where a Fibonacci level is. So whenever you have two of something, it seems more likely. However, that seems like quite a huge drop. And then another possible date for a low would be the 13th or the 17th. This is Flashlight in the Dark Trader, wishing you divine trading.